Thanks for joining me, guys. Here we have an unboxing of What Women Want. In my opinion, a great movie. Maybe it's a guy's movie, I don't know. Maybe it's a guy's romantic comedy, but the remake of this I hated, where they substituted the roles. Didn't feel it at all, but this one's great. Of course, you can't get this in a Blu-ray in North America, probably because of some of the issues he's had, would be my guess. But I wanted this one on my shelves because it's just, I love, I'll admit I love romantic comedies, and this is a top-notch one. So here we have the spine. I'm really hoping it's region-free. If not, I do have a region-free player. And you can zoom in if you want. Special features and stuff. Now, I'm quite concerned this came from England or somewhere like that. And oh, now it's not doing it as badly. Okay, let's hope it's okay. Oh, did you hear that? Yeah, so I really hope the disc isn't scratched. This wasn't super cheap. So let's get into it here. Oh, that disc is totally free. You know what though? It's hard to say. I think it'll still play. I rip all my movies to Plex so I can play them original quality on any of my devices. Nice discard, actually. I can't seem to find the symbol on here either to tell me whether it's region free or A, B, or C, which is kind of unusual. But as you can see, the retaining clips have all broken free here. I wonder if I put that on there, if it'll still. No, it's. Well, it might work for display purposes for me, but not bad reviews. Again, they have the thicker cases. It seems like when you get an import, they often have these thick cases, which is interesting. I don't know why they do that. It takes up more space. Obviously, I display most of my movies in a vertical, forward-facing direction, like a Blockbuster movie rental store. So I don't really care if the case is thick. But for most people that display them this way, that'd be annoying, I would think, that they're all thicker like that. So, thanks for watching, guys.